Hi all, Anirudh, Shruti.
Yes, sir.
How was your exam?
Yes, sir.
How was your exam?
Sir, we was not having any exam. Some Anurag group college, Anurag college was having exam.
Sorry, you don't have exam?
No, I didn't have exam, sir. IMC college didn't have exam. Other college had exam actually.
So which college are you from?
I guess Anurag college, I think, sir.
No. I am asking from which college are you from?
IIMC, sir.
Can you say this slowly?
IIMC, sir.
IIMC.
Yeah, Indian Institute of Management and Commerce.
IIMC. Just a minute. Anirudh. IIMC, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what about Shruti?
Shruti is also from my college, sir.
Okay. And what about Anusha?
What, sir?
Which college are you from?
Anurag University.
So you have exam, right?
Yes, sir. Completed.
How was it?
Good, sir.
Good. Okay. So how Anusha, your SAP software is not yet installed, right? Anusha?
Yes, sir.
Your SAP software is not installed, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir,
yeah, tell me.
this is okay, sir.
No, yeah, tell me.
Sir, once I share my screenshot.
What happened?
Sir, it's showing me like this, sir.
Yeah, correct only. Just a minute, hold on. Okay, now you double click on the server.
Yes,
So Godwin sir, can
Yeah,
I
tell me.
disturb you for a second?
Yeah, tell me, sir.
All have attended, joined, sir.
No. Only 10 members have been joined. There are 4 more.
They have to join. Achha.
Not 4, including you, 5 more are there.
Achha. So all after joining, can you give me small message? I have to
Yeah,
give.
sure.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. So, Saukya, you just share your screen.
yes, sir. I will double click on it, sir.
Not like this means in your system. Click
Okay.
on that share screen in your Zoom meeting. Saukya.
1 minute, sir.
So I think one more Jennifer. Yeah. So Deepika. Yeah, okay. So guys, Saukya, is it ready or not?
Sir, wait.
What happens, Saukya?
Sir, I am logging through my.
Have you logged in successfully?
Yes. 1 minute, sir.
Oh.
I am logging with my mobile, sir. Right now, I am logging with my laptop, sir.
Okay, so you do one thing. Right now, you just attend the class, and after that, we can log in. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Oh.
sir.
So still, wait a minute. I have to inform you first of all. Okay, so till where we have finished, I think our configuration has been finished, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have completed how to create. We have discussed how to create company code. After that, we have assigned company to company code. Then we have just keep on looking with your note. Is there any skipping parts or not? Okay. Just a minute, guys. Hold on. Okay. So first we have created company. After that, company code. Then we have assigned company to company code. After that, we have created business area. Then chart of account. After that, we have assigned chart of account to company code. Then we have created accounting groups and retained earnings. Then field status variant means we have assigned field status variant to company code. Then we have created fiscal year variant. Then we have assigned fiscal year variant to our company code. Then we have created posting period variant. Then we have defined posting period variant. After that, we have assigned company code to posting period variant. Then two tolerance. One is finance and employee. After that, controlling area. Right? Dheeraj?
Yes, sir.
So, is there any doubt for anybody? Anybody have doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay then. So since it has been 2-3 days without any working with the SAP. First now the time is 7:40. So you guys just create a new company and you just do the configuration part now itself. And if you no, wait. If you do togetherly, of course there will be logs, so the time will go. Okay, never mind. Just keep it. Let's take the next topic. That will be good. Just a minute. I am going to share my screen. So guys, can you can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
For everybody can see my screen, right? So next we are going to study or discuss how to create a account. Okay. So in a company, we all know that there will be so many accounts. Purchase, sales, salary, outstanding, wages, capital, liabilities, like that. There will be so many accounts, right? So that is what we are going to create. So the T code for creating account means creating and this account, GL account. That is what we say in SAP, GL account, General Ledger account. Okay. For that, we have to go to FS00. That is the T code for creating accounts. See, FS00. Do everybody can see my screen, right? Deepika?
Sir, this code is for creating GL accounts.
Yeah. FS00. Okay. So here you can see so many buttons, asset, expense, like that. You can see so many things, right? So first of all, I am going to say what all are these buttons are. Okay. So you can see one button here. This is for search. Okay. Then this button is for create. Means if you want to create a new things, means new account, we have to click on this one. Then this one is to also for search in bulk. Okay. Next one is to edit. Means if we have created one account and after that we have understand that there is a small mistake in it, then so we have to edit it. So for editing and all, we have to use this button. And this is for copy. Means if you have to just think that we have created so many accounts in one company code, and we have created another company code, a new company code. Okay. And there are so many, plenty of accounts are there. Just imagine that there are plenty of accounts are there. So it won't be good that if we keep on creating one account at a time, that will be too much of time consuming. So we can copy the accounts from one company code to another company code. For that process, we can use this button. Okay. The next one is lock. This button is actually used for we have created one account. In our company code, we have created one account, and that account can't be used. Means we cannot use that. We are deciding that this account do not use by anybody. If such cases like that has come, we can lock that particular account. Then we can post entries with that particular account. Okay. So next one is delete button to delete the account that we have created. And this is to see our accounts in the particular company code. So at present, the company code is TV11. That is the company code. But we are in CVC, right? See, at currently there is no accounts in CVC company code. That's why this message is saying specify an existing value. Okay. Only if there is at least one account we have to create, then only we can see the account in our company code. Okay. Then this is to update or refresh, and this is to print. That's all. Okay. So before creating, or before creating an account, I hope I have told you that we have to give this field status group for each accounts, right? Anybody? Please respond. Dheeraj Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to create.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir, what is that beside delete button, sir?
Which one? This one?
Beside that.
This one.
Yeah.
This one is to see our accounts. At right now, in our company code CVC, there are no accounts. Because of that, we can't use this button. But later, if we create one account, after that we can use this. So we can see all the accounts which we have made in our company code. For that, we are using. Right now, you can see company code is TV11, right? So our company code is not TV11. Our company code is CVC. So we can change this company code to our, but right now we can't because there is no accounts. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So before showing that, I have to show you one thing. Remember this, these four of them. This is what we have created in account group. Remember, anybody can recall this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So according to this number, we are going to create accounts. Okay. So first we are going to create an cash account. Okay. So just answer who I'm going to call. Just that person only answer. Okay. Sai Kumar. Sai Kumar.
So,
Yeah. Under which head cash account will be? There are four heads here. Under which head will be the cash comes? Any idea, Sai Kumar? Sai Kumar?
so
Yeah, tell me. At which head the cash account will come?
asset.
Yeah. Okay, good. Asset. So we are going to create asset. So for creating account, first of all, we have to click on this button, create button. Okay. So just click it. So they will ask GL account number and company code. Okay. So this GL account means, just a minute. Yeah. GL account means we have in asset we have created a number series 1000 to 1999. So the first number is 1000. So just give 1000 here. So this is the number for cash account and give our company code. That was CVC, right? So just give CVC, that's all. Then press enter. Okay. After that, come to this side. This is the creation side. So here, the first thing is account group. So cash is a asset, so we will give asset. And asset will come in balance sheet. So click on this balance sheet and give the account name. It is cash. And here you give long test cash in, and you can give anything, no problem. But this is the accounting standard. That's why I'm giving this only. Okay, so short text is cash and GL account, long text is cash in hand. After that, come to control data. So in control data, you have to click on balance in local currency. For all accounts, we have to give balance in local currency. Then come down and click on line item display. After that, in sort key, you have to give 001. It is a code actually. So the 001 is posting date. Just click on it. So this balance in local currency means this cash account has to maintain the balance all times. Even if you are withdrawing cash or we are depositing cash, the balance amount should be maintained. For that and should be maintained in local currency. Our local currency is Indian rupee. So the balance has to be maintained in local currency. That is what it means. So we have enabled it. And line item display. Line item display is the nothing to mind, just the texture of this account. Is there will be a texture for when we are creating. This is not a right now, it won't be effect. At the time of posting entry, this will be going to help us. Okay. Then sort key. All the accounts means not all the accounts, all the transactions will be whether if it is cash account, it will be transferred to the cash ledger. So all that entry has to be sorted in date wise. That is what this 001 means. 00 is date, that is posting date. Okay. After that, click on create bank interest. Okay. So in create bank interest, this is what I have told you at the time when we are creating the account group. Okay. So for all asset, we have to give G001. You can see general, or you can go inside to this. So you can see here general. For all asset means all accounts that come under asset, we have to give G001. Okay. Even though two accounts have some different character. One is bank and other one is account receivable. Okay. So when you are creating bank, when you are that I will be say after next. Okay. So just give G001 for cash. After that, you can save it. You can save by controlling S, control S. Otherwise, on this save button, you can save. Okay. So now we have created one account. One account we have created for our company code. So now we want to see that account, whether it is correct, whether it has been successfully created or not. For that, you click on this button, change company code. Here, give our company code, CVC, press enter. So you can see we have only created one account and that account belongs to asset. So that's why we can see asset here. Click on this arrow button so you can see what all accounts are there under asset head. So right now we have only created one account. That's why we can see only cash. That's it. So next we are going to create bank account. So for that also we have to click on this button. So now we have created 1000. GL account 1000 has been created. So next number is 1001. So give 1001. The company code is correct only, so there is no need to change this one. Press enter. Click on type description. So bank is also a asset. So click on asset. It belongs to balance sheet. So give the name bank. Cash at bank, that is the long test. Okay, after that, control data. Just same as cash, click on balance in local currency, line item display, sort key is 001, posting date. And here what the change comes. Okay. For cash, we have given the field status group as G001. But for bank, it is different. Okay. For bank, it is G005, bank account. Just double click on the bank account. That's all. Then you have to enable this relevant to cash flow. That also you have to enable. Only for bank, this relevant to cash flow is necessary. For all accounts, this is not necessary. Okay. So click on the cash relevant to cash flow. After that, save this one. So when we save, the next account has automatically appears here. Okay. So there is one more account with a slight difference. That is accounts receivable. So for that also, click on the create button. Then give the number, account number. So we have created 1001. So next is 1002. Press enter. Type description. Here there is no change, just as usual. Account receivable is asset. It belongs to balance sheet. Accounts receivable. Okay. We have given the both short text and long text as same. That also is possible, no problem. Okay. Go to control data. Click on balance in local currency. Only for accounts receivable and accounts payable, we have to activate both line item and open item management. Okay. And give sort key 001 itself. And go to create bank interest. Here, field status group. In field status group also there is a different. For accounts payable and accounts receivable, we have to give G012 as the field status group for account receivable and accounts payable. You can see here receivables and payables. This is a clue to select which one. Okay. Just give it and save it. Okay. So for only for this bank account and account receivable, there is a slight difference. For all other asset which belongs to asset account, it will be same procedure as the same. Okay, there is no single difference. Okay, only for bank and receivable account receivable. That is why I created this both. Sorry, this three of them I have created. Okay. So we have created asset. Now next we are going to create liability. Okay. So Sandhya. Sandhya, are you there? Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
a small request, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Can I address all my students for a second?
Sorry?
Can I speak for a minute to our students?
Yeah, sure. Go on.
Hello, everybody. Hello.
Hi, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
I think all are present, all 14 plus, sir, 15 total. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, I only request is once your this class is completed, don't go away. Just open your videos for a small photo session. Dr. Mallesh sir will take care of that. Okay, it's my request because I would like to have to make it as a first batch students. I want to have it that quick. That is the reason. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Sorry, I disturbed you in the between. I'm very sorry.
No problem, no problem. Okay. So yeah, Sandhya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you please tell me one liability? Anyone, any account.
Bank debt.
Sorry. Go on, Sandhya.
Wages.
Hello? Wages is not a liability. It is an expense. Another. Okay, no problem. Jennifer.
Sir, bank overdraft.
Which
Bank
one?
overdraft.
Yeah,
Bank overdraft.
yeah, good, good, good. Bank overdraft is a liability. It is a current liability actually. So we are going to create a bank overdraft. Okay. So first of all, you have to know what is the number series of liability. So the number series of liability which is created from 2000 to 2999. So click on the create button, give the GL account 2000, press enter, then type description. So bank overdraft is a liability, so give liability, and liability belongs to balance sheet. Short text as bank OD. Just a minute. Bank OD. Here also bank overdraft. Okay. So go to control data. Click on balance in local currency. Line item display. After the sort key 001. Then click on create bank interest. Field status group. For liability also, the field status group is same as the asset G001. Okay. After that, save it. So we have created bank OD, bank overdraft. So for all for all accounts that belongs to asset, we have to follow the same steps for which we have created for the bank OD. Even though there is one account that is which have some different character. Okay, that is accounts payable. We have created account receivable. For liability, it is accounts payable. So we can see what all difference are there. First of all, click on the new button. Sorry, create button and give the number 2001. We have created 2000, so on see 2001 and click on type description, liability, balance sheet, accounts receivable. For both short text and long text, and giving accounts receivable, go to control data. The same step of the accounts payable, what we are going to follow right now. Okay. Click on balance in local currency, line item display, open item management. Here 001. Click on create bank interest. Click on give receivables and payable quick clearing. That's all. Okay. So for account receivables and account payable, the control data settings and create bank interest are same. Only the difference is in type description. The head will be like for account receivable, it will be asset, and for account, oh sorry, there is a small mistake. we have to give account payable here. Okay. So guys, you can see we have made a mistake here. For liability, the should be accounts payable. So we have to change this. We have to edit this account. For that, click on the account. After that, click on this pencil mark, change. Click on it. Then only we can edit if it is needed. Okay. So it is accounts payable. So payable. Payable. So we have saved it. Even though we have changed the, we have edited the account, still it is not changed. So click on this update button. Okay. So now you can see it has changed to accounts payable. Okay. That's all. So for both account receivable and accounts payable, the control data and create bank interest are same. The difference is in only the difference is in type description. For account receivable, it should be asset, and for account payable, it should be liability. Okay, and all other are same. So we have created asset and liability. So next one is expense. So one expense, please. Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
Can you please say one expense?
Salaries, wages,
Oh, okay, salary.
electric
Yeah, fine. Salary. So salary is what we are going to make next. So first of all, we have to know the number. So for expense, it is starting from 3,000. So click on the button 3,000. So we are going to create salary. So salary is expense. So click on expense. So expense and all will be in profit and loss statement. So there is no need to change. Click on the short text. Salary. Here also salary. After that, click on control data. Then go upward. And in control data, click on balance in local currency and line item. So T001. Click on create bank interest. For all expense, we have to give G004 for all expense. There is no special cases for expense. For each and every expense, we can give G004. After that, save it. So now we have created expense also. Okay, so next is revenue or income. So Saukya,
Sir,
can you please say one income, one account that belongs to income? Saukya,
yes, sir.
yeah, tell me. Hello, Saukya, Vinay, Vinay Babu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you say one income?
Sales,
Sir,
Which one?
sales.
Yeah, good. Sales. That is the main expense for the company. For every company, sales is the main expense. So we are going to create sales. For that, sales is starting for 4,000. So click on start button, give 4,000. Then click on type description, account group, revenue. Revenue is in profit and loss, everybody knows. So sales. Six. Control data. Balance. Click on balance in local currency. Line item display. 001. After that, create bank interest. Field status group will be revenue account G029. Okay. So for all revenue or for all income, sorry, for all revenue accounts, we will use the same method. There is no special cases for this one also. So only for asset and expense, there is some special cases. In asset, the method that we have used for create cash is the standard method for all accounts which belongs to asset. We have to create according to the way that we have created cash. And for bank and account receivable, there is a slight difference. For bank, the difference is in create bank interest. There we have to give G005 as the field status group, and we have to enable relevant to cash flow only for bank. And for account receivable, the difference are in control data. The first difference, we have to double click both the open item management and line item management. And in create bank interest, we have to give G012. Okay. Then the next difference is in liability. So in liability, accounts payable. Accounts payable has to be done same method as we have created account receivable. But in type description, we have to give for one is asset and other one is liability. That's all. And for all other liability, we can create in the same method of bank OD. Then for salary, there is no difference. In expense also, there is no difference. Is there any doubt for anybody?
No, sir.
Sandhya, is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Jennifer,
No, sir.
Deepika,
Yes, sir.
Anusha,
No, sir.
Sandeep,
No, sir.
Dheeraj Kumar,
No, sir.
Jagga Dheeraj,
No, sir.
Manasa,
No, sir.
Anirudh,
No, sir.
Saukya,
No, sir.
Sai Kumar,
No, sir.
Vinay Babu,
No, sir.
okay. So now itself, you guys have to create all these accounts that you have created right now. So after that, we can wind up today's class. Right now itself, you go and create. And if there any doubt or something, you can ask now itself. Okay. At that time, Saukya,
Sir.
you please share your screen.
Yeah, okay. Sir, right now I don't have the Zoom app in my laptop phone.
Saukya, what you have said right now?
Sir, right now I don't have the Zoom app in my laptop phone.
What?
Sir, I'm logging with my mobile, sir, not with my mail laptop phone.
Oh, okay, okay. Fine, fine. All are practicing right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Go on.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, can you see my screen? Sir?
Yeah. Just a minute. Hold on. Just a minute, Sophia. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, you double click on SAP logo. Yeah. Double click on EC2. Now give your username. Wait. It's wrong. Oh, yeah. Okay. Wait, your username is still wrong. You have to somewhere letters has been wrong. Okay. Password. After password, press enter. Yeah. Now you have logged into your SAP account. Now you have to create from the start, from the configuration of the company. You have to create 5 company code and the configuration. After that, all you need to do one thing. Now you create one till the creation of the ledger. After that, you create 5 more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. No.
Sir, once you check your WhatsApp.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Do one thing. Share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Share your screen. Share. Screen share.
Once-
Hello, Anjut.
Yes, sir. 1 second. I don't have. Actually, I joined from my mobile, so I'm saying in my.
Okay.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Just a minute. Yeah. I can.
It's showing like this, sir.
Okay. First of all, you close this information box.
This, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I close.
Just a minute, Anjut. Yeah, you click on more
More. Where, sir?
on the top side. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Click on it. Now you click on edit. No, settings. Hierarchy display, first one.
It is.
Now you click on the second one. Yeah, press enter. Again enter. Okay, now you give the T code again, FS00.
1 second.
No, slash and
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, now it's done. Wait. First of all, you have to click on the create button. Yeah. And you have to give the account number, GL account number. Yeah.
Chart of account is not defined.
Chart of account is not defined. Okay, so you do one thing. You go to T code OBY6. Close that.
ODY6.
OBB, B for banana. OBY6. Okay, now you click on position and give your company code. Press enter. Double click on the company code. In that the chart of account is blank, so you give your chart of account. Just type it, that's enough. No. You can close this box. You just type your chart of account code. Yeah, select it. No, wait. You just delete the chart of account which you, yeah, delete it. Type it again. Select from that. You have to double click on, yeah. But you have, okay, fine. Now wait. Let me check the posting bid variant also is missing. Posting bid variant.
Where, sir?
Just under the RS00, you can see one RS00, right? Just under the RS00. Go down. Wait. Under,
Yes, RS10, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Give your posting period variant. Just type it. That's now yeah, save it. Save. Press enter.
Yes, sir.
So you go to FS00. Now you try to create an account. Yeah. Now you give the GL account. No. Give the number. Yeah. Now you try to do it.
So this much only now, you're in? Sir, hello?
Yeah, come down.
Yes, sir.
You which one are you creating now? Which account?
Cash, sir.
Now you go to
Line of items. So
sort key 001.
where, sir? Yeah.
Yeah. Short key have you been given short key?
What, sir?
Short key. Go to control letter. Come down. Short key. Yeah. You have to give short key. Just yeah. So yeah. Give 001.
Posting there.
Now you go to create bank interest and give 001.
G.
001.
That's it, sir.
Yeah. Save it.
Thank. I'll do other.
Okay, guys. So let's wind up for today. If there are any doubt, you just text me. Okay.
Sir, once you say that number, sir, just now you say now 001, where should we give, sir? In control data?
Sorry.
In control data, you say no, sir, some number 001.
001. G001.
Not that one, sir. In control data, sir.
Sort text. Here, this. Just a minute.
One second, sir, I'll do it.
Okay.
Sir, I sent one pic to your WhatsApp, sir.
Sorry.
I sent one pic to your WhatsApp, one check it, sir.
Who is this speaking?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you have to give the country, language, currency,
Sir,
everything. You have to
I
give.
entered the city name, sir. I did not enter the full name of the city, but now I am
Just
entering it.
for country, just give IN. That's enough. So from that, you have to select it.
No, sir, city I am asking.
Sorry.
I am saying about the city, sir.
Sorry, come again.
City, sir. City is there in the option, sir.
Not city, country.
Directly, I select the country, sir.
No, you just give IN. That's enough. So, everybody, I have to go now. I have to have my dinner, otherwise the mess will close. So you just keep on trying, and if there any doubt, just call me. Okay, not call me, just text me. Okay, then bye for now. See you tomorrow.
Sir, Charles said.
Sorry.
Group photo, sir. Charles said about the group photo.
Group photo. Yeah. Who was that? I think it was sir. Where is sir? Sir is not here. Let me just a minute. Just a minute. I will call him. He is not there in WhatsApp. Hello. So everybody, please don't go. Sir will be there. He will come in 2 minutes. So just wait.
So switch on the cameras. Other participants, switch on your cameras for 1 minute. Anusha, Deepika, Dheeraj, Sandeep. Anusha, Deepika. Deepika, Vinay Babu, Vinay Babu, Sai Kumar, Sai Kumar, okay, smile everyone. Yeah, face the camera, please. Right, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Sir, ఉన్నారా? Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
yes,
Mallesh.
చెప్పండి.
సార్ అది రికార్డింగ్ ఏమైంది సార్ మీరు చెప్తా అన్నారు.
అది కొంచెం ప్రాబ్లం అయ్యింది. ఈ రోజే దీపిక వాళ్ళు వచ్చిర్రు. మీ గురించే వాళ్ళు రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసి వెళ్ళారు. సో అతను ఎవరైతే కొంచెం అన్నెసెసరీ అంతా రికార్డు ఉందని ఎడిటింగ్ కి ఇచ్చాము. అబ్బాయి ఈ రోజు రాలేదు. సో మేబీ రేపు వస్తుండొచ్చు. లేకపోయినా దీపిక వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చానా మీకు మెయిల్ త్రూ గానే పంపిస్తా. ఓకేనా? రైట్.
So okay guys, see you tomorrow. Bye.